We're going to talk about debt collector secrets that they pray you never find out about it. This is a very important video. Before I get started, though, can I tell you a quick story? This is very important. I was listening to a radio show today, and it wasn't even about credit, wasn't about debt, but the young lady that was talking on the radio show, she was being interviewed. She had spoke about a situation where she wrote a bad check for $25 and she was actually jailed for 30 days over that check for $25. And you know, this stuff is not reported. It is not widely reported. This is like one of the main reasons why I do the work that I do, because nobody talks about this. What people will skip to, which is probably what you skipped to directly in your mind, is she shouldn't have wrote the bad check. She shouldn't have done it. It's always about what they shouldn't have done. But what this really exposes is that we live in a society that will treat certain people one way and treat other people another way. Could you imagine over a $25 bounce check that you could go to jail for 30 days, that they can actually hold you in there for 30 days? Like, this is unimaginable. It's a 100% true story, so this is like one of the biggest reasons why I do this. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about one of the dirty little secrets that debt collectors pray that you never find out about, because it can actually get you into this situation. Some similar. And there are debt collectors who buy insufficient funds, checks, bounce checks, debt from banks, and then they go after people for it. And they utilize these techniques to be able to get people either put in jail for contempt or to put a lot of stress on them to take their wages, garnish their wages, garnish their bank account, or take assets. I'm just here to tell you, I think that we need to really start to understand that if we don't know our rights, if we don't know how to protect ourselves, if we don't understand that how we actually do live in like some people get treated one way, some people get treated another way. And one of the main reasons why people get treated the wrong way is because they don't know their rights. And I'm here to tell you with my channel is to, number one, alert you to what's going on. Alert you, bring up your awareness. Because if you're not aware of it, you don't even know that it's happening. You're not aware of it. You're highly susceptible to falling into those traps. So let's get right to it. Hi, everyone. This is Stephen A. Williams, the president and founder of thecreditrepairshop.com. Today, I'm going to reveal the dirty secret that debt collectors pray you never find out about, and how you can use these secrets to protect your money, your credit, and your peace of mind. Stick with me, because I'm about to show you how you can literally save thousands of dollars by knowing this information. Debt collectors trick you into restarting the clock. Every debt has a statute of limitations, a legal expiration date. But if you make a small payment, a promise to pay, or even admit to the debt in writing, and I'll repeat that, a small payment, a promise to pay, or even admit the debt in writing, boom, the clock restarts. You just gave them years more to sue you, to harass you with letters in the mail. They're going to try every way to try to collect on that debt because you made the simple mistake of restarting the clock. Never agree to anything without a debt validation first. Know your rights. Make them prove it first. Most debt collectors don't have the documentation that they need to legally prove that you owe them. They buy these debts in huge bulk bundles for pennies on the dollar, often with just a spreadsheet, no original contract. If you demand full debt validation, the original signed contract, proof they own the debt, how they got the debt, the chain of custody, complete account statements. Most can't prove it, and guess what? Without proof, they have no case. Another scam they pull is sending you a so-called verification letter. Sometimes this just repeats the amount that they claim that you owe, but it doesn't prove anything. A real validation must have detailed documents showing how the amount was calculated and how they legally own it so they can legally come after you for the debt. If they send it a week later, call them out. Use a real validation letter from summonsmaster.com. All you have to do is upload your debt collection letter into summonsmaster.com, and it will create what I call an exclusive certified debt validation letter. All you have to do is sign and date it, and you send that directly to that debt collector. It'll make them have to prove everything about, number one, how they got the debt, how they legally think that they can collect it from you, and then also verify that nothing was past the statute of limitations, and it will protect your rights at the same time because you will not be admitting to anything. The power is always with the person who knows the rules. If you stand your ground, request validation, don't fall for any traps, you flip the pressure back onto them. If debt collectors are not able to prove it, they're going to cease all collection activities. They must remove that collection information off your credit reports. If they're suing you in court, you need to respond to the summons or the citation, but you also have your debt validation within that response. So debt collections count on you just being paralyzed, being in fear, not willing to learn or do anything about it. This is how they get away with it. But once you know the secret, you can take their advantages away from them. For help with debt collection lawsuits, what I want you to do is visit summonsmaster.com. All you have to do is upload a PDF copy into summonsmaster.com of your debt collection lawsuit. It will create a fully formatted response to every allegation that debt collector set forth against you in that summons or citation, and a defense to win your case. It's been very successful helping clients get very good case resolutions where their cases were actually dismissed. If you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Watch the video, What Makes Us Different, so you can see my 8-point validation process, my 2-phase settlement process. If you need your credit reports and scores, go to the website your3scores.com to grab your TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian credit reports and all 3 scores. If you have debt collectors coming after you, if you want to do it yourself, where you can type, put in all the details, as long as you don't mess it up, you can grab my 3-pack of letters, statute of limitations, debt validation, cease and desist collection activities letter. Link is below. I do ask for a donation on those. That's up to you, whatever is in your heart. It can save you time, money, and frustration. Or you can go straight to Summons Master, and you can get it done for $27. And all you have to do is upload that debt collection letter. It will create it for you. All you do is sign, date, send it certified mail directly to that debt collector. Or you can have us do it for you. If you too busy, we charge only $59. You can go to thecreditrepairshop.com and you can see the link for that payment there. And it's also below this video. Thank you for your time. Please subscribe to the channel, post your questions and comments. This is Stephen A. Williams, President and founder of thecreditrepairshop.com.